Hi everyone, welcome to our talk today. I'm Mang Cai, PhD, JD, attorney at law at New Weiming Law Group. So today my topic is timeline of some recently approved I-485 cases. As we know, for US green card, if you go through the employment-based immigration pathway, mainly there are two steps, especially for our clients, the self-petition applicants. The first step is I-140 and the second step is I-485. I-140 is the definitely most critical step, for your qualification. And after I-140, the applicant can go through 485. Some of our clients, they are interested in learning how long it may take for 485 to be approved. As you know, with the current political environment, 485 can take longer. So that also makes some applicants anxious. And here we are going to share the information of the timeline for your reference. There are many 485 cases, so I'm going to just go through a few of them, and later we will publish more information on our website and through other channels. So, for example, in June of 2018, we received 485 approvals for some applications submitted to the TIC, Texas Service Center. And those applications were submitted back in November 2017 and one in December 2017. So that's around 6 months for the approval. Then in May of 2018, we received some applications submitted to the NIC, Nebraska Service Center. And one of the applications was filed in August 2017, so 9 months. And another application was filed in December 2017, so it took less than half a year. There are two other cases also filed in May 2017 and approved in May 2018. So those two cases actually took 1 full year for approval. Also, there's a TIC 485 case which was filed in November 2017 and approved in May 2018. So again, about 6 months. Then, in April 2018, we received this NIC I-485 approval, which was filed back in December 2016. So this one is more than 1 year, a little less than 1.5 years. In February 2018, we received quite a few I-485 approvals. Some were filed a long time ago, and it took actually more than 2 years for the approval. So why? It's case by case. Sometimes the USCIS issues the request for evidence, sometimes more than once, asking the client to submit updated medical exam result or documents proving the client still working in his or her own field of expertise. Or sometimes it's regarding documents proving the applicant has maintained valid legal immigration status since he or she entered the US. And as you know, recently there's requirement for interview before approval of virtually all I-485 cases. So you can watch our relevant video on interview experience. And we are recording another video regarding what kind of documents, materials are needed for the interview. There are also some cases that are approved relatively fast. For example, in March 2018, we received a case approval I-485 from the TIC, which was submitted in October of 2017. So again, that's about 5 months for the approval. And in the same month, March 2018, another TIC case was submitted in the beginning, in January of 2017, and took more than 1 year to approve. But in the same time, there are two other cases also submitted in October of 2017 and approved also within 5 months. So overall, the time varies, and in general, we can say cases pending at the Texas Service Center, TIC, usually get approved a little bit faster than cases pending in the Nebraska Service Center. And some lucky applicants can have their cases approved within 6 months. For the majority of applicants, it will take between 6 months and 18 months for their cases to get approved. And a small percentage of applicants, for various reasons, such as multiple requests for evidence or additional requirements after the interview, or sometimes just case transferred between one service center and another, and then to one local office and another, which can prolong the process. For example, maybe the USCIS transferred the case to one local office and then find out the applicant already moved to a different physical location. And in this case, sometimes local office will still ask the applicant to come for an interview, ask all kinds of questions, only tell the applicants at the end of the interview that, well, now you have moved to another state, so your case will be handled by another local field USCIS office. So we will have another interview for you in a different city. Well, to avoid this, when you move, you should notify the USCIS promptly regarding your new physical and mailing address. So overall, we have handled quite a few, different I-485 cases. And as I mentioned, their pending time varies. If you need additional information for those specific case pending time, you can send an email to us and we will send additional information for your reference. So again, the topic is the timeline for recent I-485 approvals for your reference. Thank you.